Hey, meal preppers, Paul here. How you doing today? Amy behind the camera. And guys, veggies galore today. Veggies galore. We had 3 dishes that all needed veggies. Man, was that challenging. So let's see how we did. If you like it, if you don't, put in your own favorite veggies.
Yep.
Meanwhile, we did break in our air fryer today.
We did.
Not sure how I like it. It is quicker. I don't know if it's easier, but it's quicker.
Well, it's not as messy as frying something, and it's healthier.
Yeah.
But we're like, oh, we made this chicken.
Can you bake it?
We made this chicken nice and crispy, but then we're gonna stick it in the fridge and reheat it later anyway. So
put it in the
may not have been worth it.
Toaster oven.
God,
We'll start over here. We'll start over here. So this is what we broke in our air fryer with. This is everything but the bagel seasoning, chicken tenders. If you ever used everything but the bagel seasoning, it is amazing. All right, even if you get your bagels and put your cream cheese on there to use it, sometimes you can, what else we've used it on other, potatoes.
Potatoes, we like it on potatoes.
Red potatoes, and just season it with that stuff.
Roasted.
It's awesome. And then we made a Dijon Dijon mustard and maple syrup dressing to go with it.
With sriracha.
And then set it and forget it veggies.
Yeah.
I put these in the frying pan and kind of forgot about them. But they're nice and crispy, nice and flavorful right there. So, but just sauteed veggies. We got green beans, zucchini, and then some red onions to add a little sweetness to it. A lot of garlic. I love garlic, so that'll be nice and good right there. Oh, nice and good. There's some high quality herbs.
Some high quality what?
It's been
Can't believe I'm married to you.
And you go back to Challenger. All right. And we've got some ground bison. This is actually Mongolian ground bison. Amy made this one up, which is pretty nice. I don't know anything about it. What did you do with here? We got green onions?
It's got
coconut aminos, I know that, right?
sauteed shallots and ginger and garlic and the bison, and then a sauce made with coconut aminos and broth and sugar and I don't remember, but something like that. Yeah, arrowroot to make it thicker.
Yeah, it's that the arrowroot powder, to make it thicker. Yep. We put it over our favorite jasmine rice. We stir fried some veggies. We got broccoli, asparagus, and carrots.
We had a big bundle of asparagus, so we split it between 2 dishes.
Between 2 dishes.
And I had some shallots left, so I went ahead and sauteed shallots in with the veggies.
Then we put a mix of
mushrooms.
Mushrooms, which was like Bella's.
It was the umami blend.
Shiitake.
And oyster.
Yeah.
All right, we're just all over the place today, as usual.
When you have to add veggies, like everything else kind of goes out of the window. This one over here, some pork bites, some creamy pork bites with some peppers in there. And then we added spinach and kale mix just to add a little bit more boost there. And then we got asparagus in there as well. And I think that's it. We got some onions in there too. But it's one skillet dish here, which is amazing. At the end, add some Greek yogurt.
Technically, this was a 1 skillet dish too.
Oh, yeah? Well, there you go.
It was just in and out, in and out. Yeah. But anyway, and
eggs. While you're doing all that, guys, boil some eggs for breakfast. Look at that. Look at that. So what Amy does is she grabs 2 boiled eggs, she makes a piece of toast, and she's off.
With my peanut butter.
Sometimes she eats it, but she usually scarfs it down in her fancy car, and then there's crumbs everywhere, and I sit in them. So I know what's going on. But here it is, guys. Colorful dishes right here, all the way around.
And you don't have to be this fancy like with your veggies. If you just want to do some steamed broccoli, that's fine. Or just some sauteed or roasted asparagus. You don't have to mix it all together. Simplify it if you don't want as many ingredients. Don't have to add the mushrooms to the Mongolian beef.
But the beauty
keep it
is you
simple.
do it all at once.
Customize it.
You know, if you want a mixture, you can still do it all at once. If you just want 1 or 2, then just do that one. But our goal is to empower you guys in the kitchen so that you cook the food you love, make it the way you want, and it's still nutrient dense, well-portioned meals. Your goals on track, guys. All right, have an amazing weekend, team. Take care.